Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case this Nokia, and click Pair in the pop-up. Now you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!